Good morning, lovely people. My name is Nana Bolu II. If this is the first time watching my videos, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, or dislike. Now, today, what we are going to learn about is how you can let your words fit within Excel column. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So, let me open Excel. So, this is an Excel, and we are at A. So, let me type good morning. Good morning. As you can see, the good morning has extended to B. It has crossed the B line. Now, this is what I'm talking about. So, how are we going to face this problem? It's very simple. So, if you want to fix this, all that we have to do is right click on the sheet below there and go to View Code. Now, under the View Code, change the general by using the drop down arrow to Sheet. Now, type cells dot entire column dot auto fit. Now let's close everything and let's select here. As you see, it has finally fit within the A column. Thank you. See you in another video. Please subscribe, like, and share if you find this video very useful. Thank you.